world can be filled with constant hustle and bustles, and it can be easy to lose sight of what really matters. We can easily be consumed by things that really take a lot of our time. It could be our work, it could be the screens of our cell phones, and the never-ending deadlines at work, and obviously the pursuit of success. All right, so today I'm out here in the woods and I just felt like I should talk about nature with its majestic views. Can be mountains, can be serene lakes, it can be a vibrant forest. Has remarkable power to actually heal you. It offers respite from the noise and the distractions that happens in modern life, and it allows us to reconnect with our inner selves and then find balance. That sanctuary is nature. Nature in its majestic way, it can be mountains, it can be scenes from a lake, it could be bird viewing, it could be rabbit viewing, the vibrant forest even. It has a remarkable way of healing power. Now, as we wander through the vast expanses, we find ourselves immersed in a world that is both humbling and inspiring. That's amazing. Whether it's running in the park trail, feeling the gentle breeze on your face, or simply sitting in a quiet place and just meditating, nature has the ability to touch our hearts and soothe our troubled minds. Very inspiring. Wow, this is so majestic. I think, though, that nature's healing powers extends far beyond the surface. Studies even show that spending time in nature can reduce stress levels. Spending time in nature can actually boost our immune system. Spending time in nature can actually improve our overall well-being. The sights, the sounds, the smells of the natural world have a profound effect on our mental and emotional health. It revitalizes our spirits and filling us with a sense of wonder. When we embark and embrace nature, we find clarity. Our worries, troubles seem to fade away, replaced by a deep sense of connection to something greater than ourselves, something higher than ourselves. we are reminded in the intricate way of life, beauty of diversity and the importance of living in harmony with the world that is around you. So my dreamer friends, let's venture into the nature and let's not just seek solace. Let the sunlight warm our skins. In nature we find therapy, a remedy for our weary hearts and our restless minds. Nature is calling. It's time to answer the call. Until we meet again in the next video, I love you, man.